Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Beekman, a Thompson hotel by Hyatt. This unique property demonstrates timeless elegance, prioritizing sophistication and luxury. The architectural and interior design is truly original. Located in Lower Manhattan, the hotel is a short walk from City Hall Park, the very popular Joe's Pizza, and several subway stations which channels visitors efficiently all over the city, including nearby One World Trade Center and its picturesque views from the observatory, Ground Zero, and the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. We maximized our suite upgrade award and stayed 7 nights in a one-bedroom king bed suite on the 4th floor. At around 475 square feet, it felt crammed for our family of 4, but understandable since that's just how it is in New York City. One small sofa bed was converted for my daughter, and our son co-slept with us on the king bed. Centered in the room is an unusually well-stocked minibar with various snacks, refreshments, and adult beverages. They are far from complimentary, with simple candy bars and snacks starting at $8 each. It is a very cool design, but occupies a significant amount of space in an already small suite. No coffee machine, but that is served in the lobby. A narrow desk and a large TV complete the living space. The bedroom breathes warm colors and welcoming vibes. The king bed is comfortable yet firm with Italian-crafted linens and a classy leather-bound headboard. The room lacks a closet. Instead, there is a freestanding one with a safe and several drawers near the entryway. The compact bathroom is marble-driven with small pieces laid out on both the floors and the shower. Bathroom amenities are crafted by DS and Durga bowmakers with a very woodsy fragrance. Views were urban basic, and we could definitely hear the city sounds through the 4th-story windows. Also, nightly turndown service was provided, including this informational card. Dining options include celebrity chef Daniel Boulud's Le Gratin and Tom Colicchio's Temple Court, which is where we were offered complimentary Globalist Elite Status member breakfast for 2 adults and 2 kids. Super high-quality ingredients, excellent execution, and attentive staff. Solid 10 out of 10. Downstairs is a reception area for events. Concierge services are available on the main floor, and on a hot afternoon offered guests fresh lemonade, a cool touch, pun intended. The fitness center is bi-level, well equipped with plenty of cardio and strength training machines, multiple Peloton bikes, 1 Peloton rower, and an Echelon fitness mirror. Parking is available at $95 overnight with no in and out privileges. The Beekman offers an upscale, stylish, and thoroughly enjoyable stay. If you are visiting New York City, this property is worth considering. What do you think? Thanks for watching.